The Cuisinart is a powerful 14-cup food processor that achieves near-perfect results for a wide range of food applications. Design-wise, this food processor is made from premium quality plastic, which ensures that it's sturdy and will last for years. It sports a brushed stainless steel finish that highlights its design. It's available on the market in various color options like black, silver, red, copper and stainless steel white. The Cuisinart 14 comes with an incredibly large feeding chute, one of the largest of all the appliances. In some cases, it can accommodate a full potato. Regarding performance, this 720-watt food processor is shatterproof, leak-proof and resistant to water, scratches, heat, rust, chipping, tarnishing, staining and odor, which helps to extend its durability. Moving on, each blade is engineered to make full use of the power from the motor. The blades will make your food preparation very quick and easy. They're very versatile and can do vegetables, purees, chop and puree meats and fish, bread dough, nuts, cheese, cake batter, cookie dough, whipped egg whites, whipped cream and breadcrumbs. Moreover, the Cuisinart is also designed to puree foods like a blender. It performs admirably. It won't crush ice for smoothies or achieve smooth liquid textures with the same efficiency as a blender, but it works quite well for textured purees like salsas, dressings and pasta sauces. It's worth noting that all removable parts are dishwasher safe, which means that it's super easy to clean. Furthermore, users claim that they are enjoying the capacity of this food processor. It made it easy to make 2 batches of most things in one go, saving time and washing up. Overall, if you use food processors on a regular basis, this is a great unit. It's fantastic for families and those who entertain a lot, but can also work well for couples or single people because it handles small portions of food just as well as it does large portions. To conclude, the Cuisinart 14 Cup deserves your attention because it offers a great value for its price tag, so you won't have to spend a fortune in order to get such a quality processor for your home.